guys, CALVINATION here. We're going to be building a computer. Five necessary parts of the computer are the processor, the motherboard, RAM, the hard drive, and the power supply. The processor is the brain of the computer. All commands and programs go through the processor. This is a 3.5 gigahertz 4-core processor. The motherboard is the second most important piece of the computer. It connects all the other pieces together. Random access memory, or RAM, is where all the running programs live. This is 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. The hard drive is where everything is stored on the computer. Programs, pictures, and music all live here. This particular one is a solid state drive. That means it doesn't have any moving pieces. SSDs are much faster than other hard drives that have moving parts. This is a 250 gigabyte SSD. The last necessary piece of any computer is the power supply. This converts power from your wall into usable power for your computer. This is a 750 watt power supply. There are other pieces that aren't necessary but are good for building a computer. This is the graphics card. It's a GeForce GTX 960. This thing will make 3D games look awesome. This is the case. You can nail all the pieces on a wall if you wanted, but putting it in a case is better. A big heat sink for your processor makes it run cooler. An optical drive lets your computer read and burn DVDs and CDs. So let's get to building. First thing we're going to do is put the processor on the motherboard. We installed the adapter plate on the back, and now we're going to put on the heatsink. Since our heatsink is so big, we have to put our RAM first. Let's put the RAMs in.
And the gray one.
Now we're putting in the brackets for the heatsink. This is thermal compound. It goes between the processor and the heatsink. Now the heatsink is installed. The next step is to put all of this in this case. Now that we've installed the motherboard, it's time to install the power supply. Screw in these two screws for the power supply. Now the most important piece for the gamer, the graphics card. We've installed this hard drive to the bracket, so all we need to do is slide it in. There we go. This is the optical drive, and we need to push it into here. Stop again. This is straight. took the secondary drives out of the old computer. And now we're going to be putting them in the new computer. First, we gotta screw these. Now that we have them all screwed in, we can push it back in like this. Push the other hard drive back in like that. This is the wireless network card, and we took it out of the old computer, and now we're going to put it in the new one. Let's there we go. These are the antennas for the wireless network card, and I'm going to screw them in. We've plugged in all the wires, and we've run all the power cables. And now it's time to turn it on for the first time to see what happens. Now for the moment of truth, we're going to see if we built the computer right and it works. Okay, after working all night, we're finally going to install Windows 10. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Have an awesome day!